Welcome to Teach Yourself Something. Taurus is an astrological sign that is associated with people born between April 20th and May 20th. Taurus is symbolized by the bull and is known for being reliable, practical, and determined. If you're dating a Taurus, here are a few things you might want to keep in mind. Taurus values stability and security, so they may be more traditional in their approach to dating. They may appreciate thoughtful gestures, such as planning a special date or surprising them with a small gift. Taurus is known for being patient and persistent, so they may be willing to put in the time and effort needed to build a strong and lasting relationship. Taurus tends to be resistant to change, so they may be more comfortable in a predictable and routine-oriented environment. Taurus is a sensual sign, so they may enjoy physical touch and affection. They may also appreciate fine dining and luxurious experiences. Taurus can be stubborn at times, so it's important to communicate openly and honestly with them. It's also important to respect their boundaries and their need for space. Taurus is known for being reliable and dependable, so they may be a good partner for someone who values stability and commitment. Taurus tends to be possessive and may be jealous at times, so it's important to be clear about your intentions and to be open and honest with them about your feelings. Taurus can be resistant to change, so it's important to be patient and to approach any necessary changes in a gentle and supportive manner. Taurus values security and comfort, so they may appreciate a cozy and welcoming home environment. Taurus is a practical and grounded sign, so they may be able to offer practical and realistic advice or support in times of need. Thanks for watching. We hope you have taught yourself something. Please like and subscribe for more ways to teach yourself something.